What's going on, guys? It's 6:29 a.m. I'm about to go live with the Learn Plan Profit group, so all that is getting ready. There is literally like seconds left until the market opens. So what I'm going to be doing is, as of right now, one of the things that I wanted to talk about is /NG has been selling off very aggressively during pre-market hours. I've taken a total of 6 trades, and so far on the day, $5,311. So very productive morning. Natural gas just pushed up, becoming overbought, overextended. I'm gonna take a position most likely on DES. All right, it's time to go live. Let's have some fun and make some more money. There we go, guys. It's 7:08 a.m. Just finished shooting live with the Learn Plan Profit group. Had an amazing live stream. What ended up happening was that natural gas almost ended up changing its direction. So let me explain to you guys, let me explain to you this very quickly. So what we started to see is that natural gas was selling off this is all during pre-market hours. And as soon as the market, this happens pretty often, but the overall direction began to almost change. So then instead of it continuing to sell off, right, and then 2.54 be the support, it actually began to push up, and almost, you see how it's like almost making this upward staircase pattern, almost began to show signs of it making higher highs. So because of that, I ended up being able to buy DES when natural gas was overbought, and then when natural gas began to sell off, I added more to my DES position. Unfortunately, I thought that natural gas, again, based off previous patterns, you know, it's an assumption that I made based off previous patterns that 2.54 was going to be a support. Didn't end up making it all the way down to 2.54. It actually down to 2.55. I was actually up about $500 to $600 on the open position, but then it ended up bouncing and pushing back up. So then now I ended up being down. So again, you win some, you lose some. I feel like I did my part as a trader, managing my risk, slowly adding more to my position size when it made sense. But I probably could have done a better job locking in profits when I saw some form of consolidation, especially because I was up already a decent amount. But again, you can't always predict this. I felt comfortable waiting for 2.54 to 2.55 for it to trade around this range. It just never got to that point. So again, area of opportunity, there's never such thing as a perfect trade, and this is a perfect example of that. So, well, I guess not a perfect example, but as close to perfect as I think I'm gonna get. So yeah, some fun stuff. Guys, here we go. Alright, so I heard you were talking crap. Ooh. I'll show you guys why they call me Ricky Anderson Silva. Now we're like Conor McGregor during his fight, right?
Yeah.
So we got the man of the hour right here.
I'm by the vlog.
Vlog?
You know, hardest decision of the day.
Right? Ooh, good morning, beautiful. Guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. Had an amazing time here with Cody. Huge shout out to him for having us. Learned so much when it came down to being able to implement this series of different structures and concepts when it comes down to affiliate marketing, and really excited to implement that into our businesses as well. So now we have about a 6-hour drive home back to Arizona. Spend time with the boys. We got Nick Palladino going to be spending time with us over there in the Whiskey Boys. So yeah, had a lot of fun today. Overall profits here on the day. Ended up giving back some of my profits, unfortunately, just due to not cutting losses quick enough and not being able to ultimately just identify that the overall direction for natural gas began to trend up instead of trend down. Should have cut losses quicker, should have jumped into UGAS instead of holding up DGAS, but
again, I still can't be any more thankful for how I was able to end today. Definitely an amazing start to the week. We got 3 days left of trading, and again, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, that's going to be one of the first links in the description for our live trading sessions within the Learn, Fly, and Profit group. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be your draft to success. Hope you earned your thumbs up in this video. Be sure to subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.